Today's question is m raised to the power of m, that is equal to square root of 6 minus square root of 35 whole raised to the power of m. We need to find value of m. Let's see how to solve. Observe here, in the left hand side power and right hand side power are m only. Both are same. So if you take both sides in the power 1 over m, then we can get rid of that power, isn't it? So then we left only m equal to square root of 6 minus square root of 35. Now it is bit easy to solve. Now observe here, instead of doing square on both sides, so if you write the inside expression, which is 6 minus square root of 35, we can write in terms of a minus b whole square. Then after applying the square root, here square and square root gets cancelled, so we left only a minus b form. Isn't that is easy? So then m value is, we can say that a minus b. So that's why instead of doing this directly square root on both sides, I'm going to try to convert inside expression as a minus b whole square form. So that's why let's take only 6 minus square root of 35. Now my goal is convert in terms of a minus b form. So what is a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Here we have a minus 2ab, but here we don't have a 2 times something term. So that's why, so let's write that 2 over 2 square root of 35. And then a denominator we have a 2. So instead of 2, we can write this as square root of 2 times square root of 2, isn't it? Which is same as 2. So that's why a denominator 2, I'm going to write it as square root of 2 times square root of 2. Here we are converting into 2 terms. So now observe the numerator 35. 35 also, we can write this as 7 times 5, which is 35, isn't it? So let's write the numerator as root 7 times root 5. Now write this 2 times. Suppose if you take 7 over, this square root of 7 over square root of 2 as one term, then square root of 5 over square root of 2 as one term. So this is in the form of root a over root b. We can write this as square root of a over b. Square root of 7 over square root of 2, we can write this as square root of 7 over 2. Similarly, square root of 5 over square root of 2, we can write as square root of 5 over 2. Now observe here, so we converted in terms of 2ab form. So this is our a and this is our b. But here we have a power 2 plus b power 2. This root 35 I converted in terms of 2ab. But we have a still 6 term. So for that, the 6 you need to convert in terms of a power 2 plus b power 2. So our a is 7 over 2. Let's do a power 2, and our b is 5 over 2. So this is b power 2. If we do gets cancelled, so we left only 7 over 2 plus 5 over 2. So if we take LCM 2, then we are going to get 12 at the numerator. So after get cancelled, so we are getting only 6. So that means a power 2 plus b power 2, the value is only 6. So instead of 6, we can write this as square root of 7 over 2 power 2 plus square root of 5 over 2 power 2. So we convert in the form of a power 2 plus b power 2 minus 2ab. So we can write this as a minus b whole square. So we can write this as our a value is 7 over 2 minus our b value is 5 over 2 whole square. So this is the value for 6 minus square root of 35. But we have square root of 6 minus root 35. So we have a square root here. So that's why let's take square root on both sides. So after taking square root on both sides, here square and square root gets cancelled. So we left only square root of 7 over 2 minus square root of 5 over 2. So this is the result of this m value. This is m value, no? So the m value is square root of 7 over 2 minus square root of 5 over 2. If you like this content, please support to my channel. Thank you for watching.